You are paying for your comfort. Every single day. You just don't see the bill yet. Think about it. Every time you chose the couch over the gym, every time you scrolled instead of studied, every time you hit snooze instead of getting up, you made a payment. Not in money, in time, in potential, in the person you were supposed to become. Comfort feels like a reward, but it's a trap dressed up as one. Here's what nobody tells you. Comfort is not neutral. It is not rest. It is not recovery. It is slow destruction with a smile on its face. Every day you spend avoiding discomfort, you are not standing still. You are moving backwards. The world keeps moving, standards keep rising, and you stay exactly where you are. Look around you. The guys who are winning right now, they are not more talented than you. They are not luckier than you. They just got uncomfortable on purpose every single day, long before they felt ready. And that gap between you and them, that gap is made entirely of avoided discomfort. You know what the real cost of comfort is. It's the version of yourself you never become. It's the money you never make. It's the body you never build. It's the respect you never earn. It's the life you always said you wanted, but never actually chased. That's the hidden cost. And it compounds, just like debt. Here's the truth. Discipline is not about suffering. It is about choosing the right kind of hard. Because life is always going to be hard. The question is whether you pick the hard that builds you or the hard that destroys you. Sitting